Myth number 5, if you've had LASIK or radial keratotomy, then you cannot have a premium lens implant. That's completely not true. We analyze the structures of your eye before surgery to determine the likelihood of a successful result if you choose to have a premium lens implant, so you can increase and expand your range of focus without having to rely on glasses. About 1 in every 3 patients that we place a multifocal lens into have had prior LASIK surgery. And a significant percentage of patients who've had radial keratotomy, we use a lens called the Symphony lens, which is an extended depth of focus lens implant that helps those individuals see great near, mid, and far with minimal use of glasses after their surgery. So patients that have had radial keratotomy and LASIK, they actually do great with multifocal lenses or extended depth of focus lens implants.